Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So today's video is all about how I always get ready before I do my makeup. So it is always important to maintain a basic hygiene of my skin so that my makeup look flawless on my skin. Today's video is all about revealing my secret. The more you take care of your skin, the more your makeup is going to look flawless. So today I'm going to reveal my 2 skincare hacks that I always follow twice in a week. So the first step of taking care of my skin is just that I always shave my face. I shave my entire face like twice in a week, not more than that, because that might cause skin irritation as I have sensitive skin. So I prefer to do only twice in a week, and this actually make my makeup look flawless because on a clear skin the CTM routine work perfectly and so your makeup look flawless. Although I don't have too much facial hair, but the day I just started to just shave my entire face and all the facial hair gone, I just felt the difference between makeup done on a skin that have facial hair compared to makeup done on the skin that has no facial hair. And the second step that I always follow to maintain my personal hygiene also and to feel confident for whatever dress I wear is just that to remove my body hair. Yes, I always remove my body hair and I do it thrice in a week. So these are the 2 skincare hacks that I always follow that make me look good and I really feel good and confident from inside. So for doing these 2 skincare hacks, I just started using 2 products that has been launched by my favorite brand Peesafe. Yes, so Peesafe recently launched this hair removal cream and this face razor, and I am using both of these products from past few weeks, and let me tell you, I am just loving the effect of both of this product. I have already tried so many facial razor, and let me tell you, none of the razor I could use it more than twice, but this piece of facial razor I just use it like 5 times. 5 times I have used this facial razor and I totally like it. I really like the quality of this facial razor. They are not too much harsh, neither they are too much blunt. I really like the perfect sharpness of this facial razor. And the next product that I'm going to talk about is all about Peesafe hair removal cream. Now there are many brands of hair removal cream in market, but I must tell you, this is the cream that I feel just perfect on my sensitive skin, because most of the hair cream from different brand leaves itching on my skin. I don't know why. Every time I use any hair cream, I just end having my skin turn into redness and then with itchiness, and it is all goes worst. But this is the cream that I can tell you is perfect for all skin types, especially for sensitive skin, because I am using this hair removal cream from past few weeks and till now it is not irritating on my skin. But still I will say that as it is a hair removal cream, so please do a patch test before you apply it for your hair removing. So without further ado, let's just see the demo video where I'm going to use both of these products and you can see the difference between before and after of me. So without further ado, let's just see the demo video. So first let's start with the advanced nano coated face razor from Furr by Peesafe. Now these are the face razor. The price of this face razor is rupees 599, where you are going to get 4 face razor. This face razor you can use for your chin, upper lip, eyebrows, sideburns, peach fuzz. All these blades are made in Japan. Now this face razor comes up with a safety cap. As you can see, these blades are really safety. They have protective sleeve. It has anti-slip grip so that the razor don't slip whenever you are using it. It is easy to carry. As you can see, it is very sleek. Furr razor have blades coated with chromium and PTFE, which keeps the skin soft. All the blades are rust free, durable and remove all facial hair effortlessly. This box contains 4 razors, so one razor can be used for up to 5 times if stored correctly.
It does a fine job of removing hair from eyebrows, neck, and face. The short blade makes it easy to maneuver and is perfect for expert grooming. They are protected with a transparent cap for a safety storage. It is gentle on the skin and does not leave any cuts or bumps. How to use? It is very easy. Gently glide the razor onto your skin in the direction of your hair growth. After each shape, simply rinse and air dry your razor to help it last longer. Now I just damped my face and started using this razor. Now what caution you should take? You should rinse thoroughly after every use of this razor, and then you have to air dry and avoid to wipe the blade with bare hands. It may hurt your skin. How to store? It is very easy. You just have to keep out of reach of children and store it in a protection cover in a dry place to increase the longevity of the blade. Now all these blades are reusable, washable. They are so easy that there are hardly any cuts or nicks. It removes my fine hair also. This is actually a hassle-free shaving. So overall, I really like this Furr by Peesafe face razor. You can see how my skin is looking after using the face razor on my face, and I totally love the after effect. The second product is natural hair removal cream from Furr by Peesafe. Now this hair removal cream is for all skin type, and this one is priced rupees 249 for 100 gram of product. It has triple response formula, that is jojoba, honey and turmeric. Now this hair removal cream, you can use it on your arms, legs, underarms and intimate areas. But this cream is just for external use only. Now how to apply this cream? You just have to apply this cream directly onto your skin with a spatula that comes up with this packaging, and spread the cream evenly to fully cover the area. Leave the cream on the skin for 4 to 5 minutes, timed carefully. If needed, you can leave the cream for 8 minutes, but not more than 8 minutes. Now gently use the head of the spatula to test a small area. Make sure to move the spatula against the hair growth. If the hair comes off effortlessly, remove the rest of the cream with the spatula. But I prefer to wipe my hair remover cream using a wet cotton wipes. And finally, just rinse your skin thoroughly with water after use and pat dry gently. You can see my hands how beautiful it is looking after using the cream. Overall, I would say that this cream has so many good key ingredients like jojoba oil, vitamin E, turmeric, so it actually non-irritating on my sensitive skin, and there is no itchiness or redness on my hand. I really like the after effect of this cream, but definitely as it is a hair removal cream, so I will always recommend you to perform a patch test before use. Do not leave the cream for longer than 8 minutes. In case of irritation or rashes, just immediately consult a skin specialist. So overall, I really like this natural hair removal cream. It has a mild fragrance that also I love, and this hair removal cream is actually very gentle on my sensitive skin. So I like both of this product, and I would love to recommend you to try out both of this product by Peesafe.
So that's all for today. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I hope you like this small beauty hack video, and let me tell you, the small steps of taking care of your skin actually can make a big difference when you will do your CTM or when you will do your makeup, because that actually make your skin look flawless, and that is what I always do and follow. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.